For today's video, Falguni ma'am will be answering some frequently asked questions which our team has received, particularly about the UK expansion worker visa. So, ma'am, do you want to tell us more about, the newly launched UK expansion worker visa, which also came in as a replacement for the sole representative visa in April 2022? So, can we give some idea to our audience in what is this new visa?
Yes, Ashni, so I'm super excited to share this new launch of the visas which is now come into existence. And yes, you rightly said that it is a replacement of the old sole representative visas. So quite a lot of requirements are more or less that you had seen in the sole representative visas. And I think particularly the objective, which is for which it has been set, is it helps company to set up their branch or a subsidiary in the UK. So any company outside UK looking to set themselves up in UK in form of a branch or a subsidiary, this would be the right pathway for them to go through the expansion worker visas.
Okay, thank you.